The nuclear arms race from 1945 to 1958 was a cycle of escalating competition for military supremacy between the US and USSR. Key events included the US atomic bombs in 1945 and the Soviet Union's first atomic test in 1949. It was clear initially that America had the upper hand in the arms race, as they also developed the hydrogen bomb quicker than the Soviet Union. However, by 1957, both the USA and USSR were developing intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs, within a few months of each other, showing that the Soviet Union had caught up with the Americans. By the early 1960s, both countries had enough weapons to destroy each other hundreds of times over. This became known as mutually assured destruction, or MAD. The space race, from 1957 to 1969, became a battle for technological prestige. The Soviet launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957 shocked the US, prompting the founding of NASA in 1958. The race involved feats like sending the first animal and human into orbit, which the Soviet Union also succeeded with first. Laika was a dog sent into space by the USSR in 1957, which they followed up with by sending the first human into orbit in 1961 with Yuri Gagarin. It was the Americans that took overall victory in the space race, as in 1969, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first humans to set foot on the moon. These rivalries between the superpowers made up a big part of the Cold War, especially earlier tensions. The constant desire for one-upmanship and trying to be better than each other led to thousands of weapons of mass destruction, with untold amounts of devastation.